What's up, everyone? Running an e-commerce business is exciting, but it also means staying on top of your numbers. You're dealing with online transactions, inventory, sales tax, and the list goes on. Without a structured accounting system, things can get messy real quick. We're talking cash flow issues, unexpected tax penalties, and not really knowing how profitable your business actually is. In this video, I'm breaking down the essential accounting practices you need to master to scale your e-commerce business while staying in the good graces of the IRS. We'll cover everything from choosing the right accounting software to automating those tedious bookkeeping tasks so you can focus on what you do best, growing your brand. First things first, you need a system that can keep up with the fast-paced world of e-commerce. Forget those spreadsheets. We're in the 21st century. Cloud-based accounting software is your new best friend. Think of it like the foundation of your e-commerce empire. It's going to track every dollar coming in and going out, giving you a crystal clear picture of your financials in real time. But it's not just about having the software, it's about utilizing it effectively. Make sure you're setting up your chart of accounts correctly to categorize your income and expenses. Trust me, this is going to save you a massive headache come tax season. And hey, if you're not sure where to start, don't worry. There are tons of resources available online, or you can even hire a bookkeeper to help you get set up. Look, I get it. Bookkeeping might not be the most glamorous part of running a business, but it's crucial. Every single transaction, from that $5 coffee to a $500 ad campaign, needs to be accounted for. This is non-negotiable, people. Luckily, most e-commerce platforms integrate seamlessly with accounting software, so you can automate a lot of this. And when you're categorizing those expenses, don't just lump everything into a generic marketing category. Get specific. Was it social media advertising? Influencer marketing? The more detailed you are, the better insights you'll have into where your money is going. This is going to be pure gold when it's time to analyze your spending and find areas to optimize. Listen up. This is probably the most common mistake I see entrepreneurs make, and it's a recipe for disaster. Mixing your business and personal finances is like mixing fries with your milkshake. It just doesn't work. Open a dedicated business bank account and get yourself a business credit card. This is going to make tracking your income and expenses infinitely easier. Plus, it makes you look more legit and helps you build business credit. And while you're at it, set up a separate payment processor for your e-commerce transactions. This adds an extra layer of security and keeps everything organized. Implement proper inventory accounting. Inventory is the lifeblood of your e-commerce business, so you gotta keep a close eye on it. Using inventory management software is a no-brainer. This is going to track your stock levels in real time, so you know exactly what you have on hand, what's selling, and when it's time to reorder. And don't forget about the FIFO method. First in, first out. This means you're selling your oldest inventory first to avoid ending up with a bunch of outdated products. Trust me, accurate inventory accounting is going to save you from headaches, lost sales, and a whole lot of stress. Monitor cash flow regularly. Listen, you could be crushing it with sales, but if your cash flow is a mess, your business is at risk. Think of cash flow as the oxygen of your business. No oxygen, no business. You need to know how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and when. Use cash flow forecasting tools to get a handle on your future finances. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you potential shortfalls or surpluses. And here's a pro tip. Always have an emergency fund. Aim to set aside at least 10 to 20% of your monthly revenue for those unexpected expenses that inevitably pop up. Manage sales tax compliance. Sales tax can be a real pain, especially when you're selling online to customers in different states or even countries. Each jurisdiction has its own set of rules and regulations, and it can feel like you need a law degree to figure it all out. But don't worry, there are tools to help. Automated sales tax software can be a lifesaver. It'll calculate the correct tax rates for each transaction based on the customer's location. This takes the guesswork out of it and ensures you're staying compliant. Prepare for e-commerce accounting challenges. E-commerce comes with its own unique set of accounting challenges. We're talking about refunds, chargebacks, dealing with multiple sales channels, the whole 9 yards. First things first, have a clear and concise refund policy in place. This is going to minimize disputes and make the refund process smoother for both you and your customers. When it comes to chargebacks, track them separately to identify any patterns or red flags. This can help you spot potential fraud or issues with your products or services. Your financial statements are like the report card for your business. They tell you how you're doing financially and where you can improve. But just glancing at them every now and then isn't enough. You need to really dig in and analyze those numbers. Make it a habit to review your profit and loss statement every single month. This is going to show you your revenue, your expenses, and ultimately, your profit. Understanding this statement is key to making informed decisions about pricing, expenses, and overall business strategy. Time is money, right? So why waste it on manual bookkeeping tasks that can be easily automated? We live in a world of AI and automation, so use it to your advantage. There are tons of tools out there that can automate everything from recurring invoices to payment reminders. This frees up your time so you can focus on the big picture stuff, like growing your business. Plus, let's be honest, machines are much better at crunching numbers than we are. Listen, I know we've covered a lot, and you might be thinking, this is a lot to handle. And you know what? It's okay to admit that you need help. Sometimes it's best to leave it to the pros. Hiring a certified public accountant who specializes in e-commerce can be a game changer. They can help you navigate the complex world of taxes, ensure you're taking advantage of all the deductions you're entitled to, and give you peace of mind knowing your finances are in order. So there you have it. My top tips for mastering e-commerce accounting. Remember, efficient accounting isn't just about staying compliant with the IRS, though that's definitely important. It's about setting your business up for sustainable growth. By implementing the strategies we've covered today, from setting up a robust accounting system to automating tasks and seeking professional help when needed, you're taking control of your financial destiny. This clarity allows you to make smarter decisions, optimize your spending, and ultimately achieve your business goals. Don't let accounting be the thing that holds you back. Be the greatest you can be. Join us. Click the link below for short, sharp, simple video courses that give you confidence and street-smart business skills to simplify accounting and focus on growing your business to succeed.